Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will try a new logo maker app. DesignEvo logo maker, and obviously this is a free one and we will try this for the first time. Let's check this out. And the thing is, as you can see, there are lots of templates available from the beginning, so these are the more popular one. So today we will try to make out a logo for our YouTube channel How to Be, and let's also check out other things, the abstract and the type of animal. The How to Be actually suit more for animal, but I don't know if I can find the proper animal I'm checking out, like the bee. But I have to download more logos, as you can see. So we'll just have to go to the storage. Yeah, these are the price worthy, like the minimum have to pay 150 bucks from, this is PD currency, and the other things are, there are lots of classes there: lifestyle, medical, environment, sports, and so on. So the packages are not bad, so we will not go for any purchase right now. We will just try out for the freeze things like there. And first of all, I have to choose the template for which I should make the perfect edit. And yeah, I'm still searching for it. Let's be patient, and we'll get into the main editing part very soon. So there are lots of categories right there, and these are the freeze. They're not bad either way. Yeah, I really wanna say some of them are very simple, but the other things, like they are very time worthy. Like if you can make a good edit on it, and it will be much more sublime. So I'm actually still searching for the one I'm doing today, and I don't know if I can be able to find it very soon. So keep patience, please. What the hell, man? So no fucking way. Well, okay. These are the basics. If you are from a travel company, as you can see, your logo must be this type of things. Like they are on a vacation, they are on a leave, they went for a hiking, or they went for a chill in the beach. Whatever. So the fucking thing is, what is my logo? What is my template, by the way? Is this art? I should edit the template, or, well, I am really confused right now. Things are getting me. Okay, I think I got something to make it happen. This one looks not bad. And yeah, as you can see, we're in the editing part, and there is the text button. You can just add the text you want, or you can just edit the text accordingly. And as you can see, there are lots of font there, and I would like to go the modern font. Not bad. Black Ops would be nice, as my name is much more interesting. Like, I have to edit this. Well, so let's get into the part. The size I'll have to just rescale this size. Well, I have to edit the name first. Oh my god, goodness. I really can't find the edit option there. What the hell? No double A, not needed. So, well, guys, let me clear out something like, oh no, why this is happening? Just go away. You really don't need it here. I need to edit this name. Yeah, I need to edit this name. I can be able to edit it, but I think I can delete this, right? Yeah, I have to put the text there. How to be? This is kinda disappointing. Well, oh, we're good here right now. So we're testing for the first time. That's to it. So I have to just edit it perfection. Let's take this. Let's go to the settings option. Size to a little bit. Spacing doesn't bad there. Curve isn't needed also, but okay, we'll keep it in middle because we love it in the middle. And the colors, I really love the colors of red, the dark red. Yeah, dark red is nice. Opacity would be high. Yeah, the more darker, the more beautiful is this. So let's check out the other. Let's check out the other font there. I can't find any goodies, so we can implement it. How this is come funny? Is this a funny? Yeah, this is funny. Like, I mean, yeah, man. The sooner I hit this feels like, well, I got something. This looks nice. Okay, this is interesting. So I'll have to edit this one also. I think I can't be able to edit. I just have to delete this because the system have some shit in a thought. Well, what is the motto of my channel? I think this was make or break. Yeah, this must be this. Just make it or break it. Oh, hold on, I'm not supposed to change that on. So if this is that, I have to choose a more usual. The text size must be no bold, must be smaller, not that smaller, but kinda smaller. Spacing would be big, just like, yeah, this one. No need for the curve, and we'll just choose a better way. Yeah, is this good? Well, why I'm feeling like it need to be give a bold part, which will make it a more light, I mean more brighter. Yeah, we can just check out other fonts, like the great fonts I can provide there. So like which one, I really don't know. This time I think this, let's try this. This one looks very simple. We go for the yeah, this one. This one suits perfectly, and I think we'll have to make some adjustment also. Like, I really need to bring this to back. Is this the middle part, right? Where is the logo? Logo looks also beautiful. And here come the part. Here come the theme. Isn't this nice? Isn't this nice? What is the graphics section works for? Well, these are the shapes, and there will be some decorations also, and there will be some lines also you can add. We can certainly add some shapes, solid shapes, no shapes. I'm not adding any shapes, but I'm adding some banner soon. Yeah, this feels me like I had to add something else. Like, let me check this out thing first. If I put this there, just a bigger portion, but these things looks heavy. I need to do something else. Well, what is happening? Oh, okay, hold on. I'll just make it a bit transparent. Just make sure the opacity is less. What about the background? I can change the background, right? This background looks not horrible. I need a lighter background on a dark basis. Background looks very simple. What's the lighter one? This, yeah, or this? Let's skip this. And another thing is, I'm just worried about this one, the decoration. If I add any decoration like which will suit, yeah, something will suit very perfectly. So I'll have to just find the best thing. I am searching for it, but I don't know if I can be able to have it. What about this? Well, oh, what a mess. I'm talking about this one. The ultimate. This logo isn't working that good. Well, this logo isn't working that good. We'll just try to send it there if it is possible. It's possible to there, and just let the bee a bit free. And here we go. Is this nice? I feel so. Let's export. Let's just save it. We are using the JPG form for the first time, and let's be processing it. Just allow, just give all the access. And where it's saved? Okay, hold on, I have to do the exit. And yeah, hopefully this was it, guys, and hope you all enjoyed the video. And whatever thinking about this new editing video, I mean a new logo maker, and let me know in the comment section also. And see you all soon on another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.